didn't want it. You didn't ask for it. But we gave it to you anyways. Burping 102.
Yeah.
Hello, it's the Megadongs with our fun little food burping vlogs
2.0.
We're doing Burping 102 for all those who asked for it, which was one person and he's not subscribed anymore.
I feel like my teeth are like...
I had nothing. I swallowed the burp by accident.
Oh, I almost threw up there.
Fucking got him. I wanted to spit up on you, but I figured not yet.
No, Zach did that last time. Remember with the fucking baked beans.
Stop quiet, woman! Stop quiet, it's not that bad! Why did you do that? This is my blood!
Oh, such a beautiful woman now.
I am the city.
What was that?